Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to America in 1886? Answer D. France. The Statue of Liberty is a colossal neoclassical sculpture on Liberty Island in New York Harbor within New York City. In the United States, the copper statue, a gift from the people of France to the people of United States. Next. Which ocean separated America from Europe? Answer A. Atlantic. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest of the world's ocean with an area of about 1 crore 64 lakh 60,000 square kilometer. It is known to separate the old world from the new world in the European perception of the world. Next. Abraham Lincoln was the dash president of the America. Answer D. 16th president. Abraham Lincoln, born on February 12, 1809 and died April 15, 1865, was an American lawyer and statesman who served as the 16th president of United States from the 1861 until his assassination in 1865. In which year Christopher Columbus discovered America? Answer D. 1492. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer and navigator who completed 4 voyages across the Atlantic Ocean, opening the way for the widespread European exploration and colonization of the Americas. In which place the Peace Treaty of 1783 took place, which ended the American Revolutionary War? Answer C. Paris. The Treaty of Paris, signed in Paris by representative of King George III of Great Britain and representative of United States of America on September 3, 1783, officially ended the American Revolutionary War. Next. From which year the United States Constitution came into force? Answer B. 1789. The Constitution of United States is the supreme law of United States of America. These founding documents, originally comprising 7 articles, delineates the national frame of governments. Next. In which city the Constitutional Convention took place to draft the US Constitution? Answer D. Philadelphia. Next. Which city was the first British settlement in the America? Answer A. Jamestown. The Jamestown settlement in the colony of Virginia was the first English settlement in the Americas. It was located on the northeast bank of the James River. Next. The famous Boston Tea Party took place in the year? Answer B. 1773. The Boston Tea Party was an American political and mercantile protest by the Sons of Liberty in Boston, Massachusetts on December 16, 1773. Next. Which British general surrendered to George Washington at New York in 1781? Answer D. Charles Cornwallis. Charles Cornwallis, past Marquess Cornwallis, styled Viscount Brougham between 1753 and 1762 and known as the Earl Cornwallis between 1762 and 1792, was a British Army general and official. Next. George Washington became the first president of America in the year? Answer C. 1789. George Washington, born on February 22, 1732 and died December 14, 1799, was an American political leader, military general, statesman and founding father of the United States, who served as the first president of the United States from 1789 to 1797. Next. Which city was the capital of America before Washington DC? Answer B. Philadelphia. Philadelphia is a city in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania in the United States. It is the sixth most populous city in the United States and the most populous city in the state of Pennsylvania. Next. Which president had signed the Indian Removal Act of 1830? Answer A. Andrew Jackson. Andrew Jackson, born on March 15, 1767 and died June 8, 1845, was an American lawyer, soldier, and statesman who served as the 7th President of the United States from 1829 to 1837. Next. The state of Alaska was purchased from which country? Answer B. Russia. Alaska is a state in the western United States on the northwest extremely of the country west coast. Alaska is by far the largest US state by area, comprising more total area than the next three largest states, Texas, California, and Montana. Next. Who was the president of the Confederate States of America during the American Civil War? Answer C. Jefferson Davis. Jefferson Phineas Davis, born on June 3, 1808 and died December 6, 1889, was an American politician who served as the President of the Confederate States from 1861 to 1865. Next. Which island was known as the gateway for immigrants to the United States from 1892 until 1954? Answer A. Ellis Island. Ellis Island is a federally owned island in New York Harbor that was once the busiest immigrant inspection station in the United States from 1892 to 1954. Next. In which year the Spanish-American War was fought? Answer A. 1898. The Spanish vs. American War, April 21 to August 13, 1898, was an armed conflict between Spain and the United States. Next. Total number of colonies that took part in American Revolution War? Answer B. 13. The American Revolution was an ideological and political revolution that occurs in colonial North America between 1765 and 1791. The Americas in the 13 colonies formed independent states that defeated the British in the American Revolutionary War. Next. The California Gold Rush was started in the year? Answer C. 1848. California Gold Rush was the gold rush that began on January 24, 1848, when gold was found by James W. Marshall at Sutter Mills in Coloma, California. Next. Which one is the first woman elected to the United States House of Representatives? Answer D. Jeannette Rankin. Jeannette Pickering Rankin, born on June 11, 1880 and died on May 18, 1973, was an American politician and women's rights advocate and the first woman to hold federal office in the United States. Next. Who was the first woman elected to US Senate? Answer A. Hattie Ayat Caraway. Hattie Opila Ayat Caraway, born on 1st February 1878 and died December 21, 1950, was an American politician who became the first woman elected to serve a full term as a United States Senator. Next. Which one is the longest river in USA? Answer B. Missouri River. Missouri River is the longest river in North America, rising in the Rocky Mountains of the eastern Centennial Mountains of southwestern Montana. The Missouri flows east and south for 3,767 kilometers before entering the Mississippi River, north of St. Louis, Missouri. Next. In which year Martin Luther King Jr. received the Nobel Peace Prize? Answer B. 1964. Martin Luther King Jr., born on January 15, 1929 and died April 4, 1968, was an American Baptist minister and activist who became the most visible spoken and leader in the American civil rights movement from 1955 until his assassination in 1968. Next. Which one is the tallest mountain in USA? Answer C. Mount McKinley. Denali, the mountain had been unofficially named Mount McKinley in 1896 by the gold prospector and officially by the federal government of the United States in 1917 to commemorate William McKinley, who was President of United States. Next. Total number of time zones that covered by USA and its territories? Answer D. 9. Time zones tend to follow the boundaries between countries and their subdivision instead of strictly following longitude because it is convenient for areas in frequent communication to keep the same time. Next. Total number of national parks in USA? Answer B. 58. When the construction of Empire State Building completed? Answer C. 1931. Empire State Building is a 102-story Art Deco skyscraper in Midtown Manhattan in New York City, United States. It was designed by Shrivi, Lamb and Harmon and built from 1930 to 1931. Next. Which one is the largest city by population in USA? Answer A. New York. New York, often called New York City to distinguish it from New York State, is the most populous city in the United States with a population of 8.8 million, approximately distributed over 778.2 square kilometers. Next. Which American president signed a law for establishing first national park at Yellowstone? Answer D. Ulysses S. Grant. Ulysses S. Grant, born on April 27, 1822 and died July 23, 1885, was an American politician and military leader who served as the 18th President of the United States from 1869 to 1877. Next. The Grand Canyon National Park is located in? Answer C. Arizona. Arizona is the 18th state and last of the contiguous states to be admitted to Union, achieving statehood on February 14, 1912. So friends, thank you everybody to stay with us, and a cordial request to everybody, if you think this channel is useful for your knowledge, please subscribe the channel and press bell icon for our future notification. Thank you all. Till next, Allah Hafiz.